Check it out.
Hey, I heard you wanna see Ohio. If I were you, I would maybe think twice though. Cause I've been living out here for a mighty long time, and it ain't a great home, here's white bro. Yeah, it may be the home of LeBron James, but he left before it all went down into flames. Cause sticks and stones break no bones, and the rain here melts my clothes.